Hello everyone. Today in this video we discuss about upthrust. When any object kept in liquid, then its weight seems reduced or object becomes lighter when it is placed in water or liquid, because water or liquid apply resultant upthrust on it, which is in opposite direction of thrust, and therefore it is known as upthrust. And here we discuss about upthrust. Resultant force applied by liquid when objects are placed on it is called upthrust. When any object kept on liquid surface, suppose we consider that object is placed on liquid surface, then due to its weight, it applies force downward, which is known as thrust. And liquid apply the force just opposite to the thrust, or that thrust is known as upthrust. Now here the force applied by liquid is in just opposite direction of thrust, therefore it is called upthrust. Upthrust causes weight of object reduced inside the liquid or in water. As for example, when we pull water from the well, when bucket is inside the water, we feel easier, and when bucket comes outside from the water surface, we feel happier. The main reason object is lighter inside the water is upthrust. That upthrust can be calculated, and here more explanation about the upthrust is given by Archimedes principle. And here we write Archimedes principle explain about how much upthrust is acted by liquid on object when it is completely or partially immersed in it, and which states that when objects partially or completely immersed inside the liquid, then upthrust acted on it is equal to the weight of displaced or simply when any object kept in liquid, then its volume causes certain mass of or certain weight of liquid get displaced. That weight of displaced liquid is equal to the upthrust applied by liquid. Experimental verification of such principle is experimental verification of Archimedes principle. We consider or we measure weight of any objects in air. Suppose we found its weight is W1 in air. When same object is kept in Eureka can, that Eureka can is also known as overflow can. When such objects is kept in here, when same object is kept in Eureka can or overflow can, then it displaces liquid, and that displaced liquid we consider weight of displaced liquid is W, and weight of object recorded or object becomes lighter in water, and our weight of object in water is W. Listen carefully. Firstly, we weigh the object with help of a spring balance in air. That weight is called weight of object in air. Then we immerse same object inside the overflow can, and we measure the weight, which is called weight of object in water. And when object kept in Eureka can, overflow can, then weight of liquid get certain weight of liquid get displaced, which is called weight of displaced liquid. And we found that let us weight of object in air equal to W. Weight of object in water equal to W. Weight of displaced water equal to W. And here upthrust is resultant thrust applied by water, which is in opposite direction of thrust, and therefore what we can write here, upthrust applied by water equal to weight of object in air minus weight of object in water. This is formula to calculate how much upthrust acted by liquid on object, and also we can write weight of displaced water equal to weight of object in air minus weight of object in, and from these two what we conclude that upthrust equal to weight of displaced water, or if liquid given then weight of displaced liquid. It is most important topic for class 10. There are generally long question will ask from this topic, and question may represent related to concept and numerical value. As for example, question: study the diagram and answer the questions given, and diagram may represent related as a weight of object given there, suppose 15 Newton. And then object is kept in Eureka frame. And suppose we consider that is weight of displaced liquid here. Here it is called 5 Newton. And question may ask like a, which experiment is shown in above diagram? State the principle. What is the weight of object in water? What is the upthrust acted on object? What is the mass of object in air? There 1 kg equal to 10. Suppose here. And here the experiment diagram is based on Archimedes principle. We can write what is the weight of object in water. There we can solve it as a weight of object in water equal to weight in air minus weight of displaced water, and weight in air 15 Newton minus weight of displaced water 5 Newton equal to 0. What is the upthrust acted there? The weight of displaced water (5 Newton). If 1 kg equal to 10 Newton given, so what is the mass of your object or mass of your object? Weight of a stone or object equal to 15 Newton. And here we write (10 Newton equal to 1 kg. 1 Newton equal to 1 by 10 kg. 15 Newton equal to 1 by 10 into 1.5 kg. And in this way we can find out the mass of object in here. Question may ask that what is the mass of displaced water? Then we apply statement. In next video we discuss more about the Pascal law, its experimental verification and also related to numericals. Thank you.